So what I like the most about what I do is being able to change people's lives from the inside out. It starts with the parents, and then they feel healthier, better, they live better lives, and then it makes a difference also in their children's lives. The accountability part is definitely important because it's really hard to be on a journey by yourself. So not only we're there to answer questions, but also to make sure that the job is getting done, right? Because when you do things by yourself, you can't hold yourself accountable, so that's what we're there for. I would tell them to come to ageRejuvenation because they will have help from beginning to end, and they will know exactly what to do, as well as giving a blueprint. So we take care of everything from helping people improve their energy, their sleep, because we're gonna be working with fixing hormones, as well as the nutrition side of things. It's just giving them the guide that they need, and whenever they have questions, they know that I'm available. We're also available via text messaging between calls, so they have access to nutritionists as well.